Guys, it's like almost 9 o'clock. I don't know if you can see. You can't see. That's fine. And it is 1 week until I fly to Disney. Like, this time next week, I'm gonna be in America. And so I wasn't gonna make another vlog, but let's make another vlog. Also, if you keep seeing me add like a new intro every time, it's because I'm testing out different intros to see which one I like, because I'm a very indecisive bitch. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that little Stitch intro. I thought it was cute. It's 1 week until I move to America. In fact, this time next week I will literally be in America, probably in the resort already, because right now it is 9 p.m. UK time. I made this new wallpaper with all the things that inspire me, so that's really cute. And yeah, I don't know, I wanted to do one of these sit down vlogs. I haven't done one like this in a little while. I did the Korea journey one, although I don't really feel like that counts, but I wanted to do like a ramble to the camera vlog of how I'm feeling, what's going on, where we're at, the last things I need to do, a time capsule of how I'm feeling 1 week before I go and what I've been thinking about and what I've been doing. So yeah, I want to say thank you first of all, because I have been making these preparation videos for months and I have seen people liking them, and I have had people talk to me privately about them and things like that and say that they've seen them. I really appreciate those who watch, even if you don't comment, if you just lurk, if you don't like, if you're just there. I mean, I know there's some people out there watching these videos, so I want to thank you very much for enjoying them. Hopefully you do enjoy them. I think the next chapter is coming very soon, and we're sort of coming to the end of the preparation vlogs, and this could possibly be the last or the second to last, because there's really not much left. I wanted to do a final summary of how I'm feeling after all of these months of preparation. So, first thing, you can probably tell that this room is empty, or quite empty. My voice is echoing, and I know that it's unnecessary to completely pack away everything if you're only moving away for a year, because to be honest, you're gonna come back to the same place. And I've spoke about this a lot in a lot of my vlogs here and there, talking about what my goals are, what I wanna do, and I guess I wanted to explain a little bit more, or like expand on my conversation regarding after the program. And I keep saying stuff about after the program. I think in my head I know that this is the space I'm going to come back to after the program, which is while I'm here, while I'm physically here, I can sort it out so that future me is a happy future me. So yeah, basically my parents are going to be redecorating this room anyway, so I needed to take stuff off the shelves. I needed to organize the cupboards a little bit just so it's not a complete mess to organize, because you know, it's typical of me when I was like a teenager to just throw stuff in the cupboard, and when I moved back here that stuff was still just screwed in the cupboard, stuff just been chucked to the back of the cupboard that I haven't touched in years. And so I went on a massive donating spree. I sold loads of stuff, I gave stuff away to people, I did like a massive declutter, and I'm hoping I don't have to really do that so much in the future, because I'm going to sort of be more mindful about what I'm buying. But you know, you can't go back and tell teenage Emma not to buy all those collectibles. That's all she could buy, you know, she didn't have bills to pay. You couldn't have told 13-year-old Emma to stop buying Webkins, so 27-year-old Emma, well 27 next month, has to deal with all of that. And so that's what I've been doing, and I really got down to a point where everything is organized and I'm happy to then come back to the space, and you know, it's not going to feel like a step backwards. It's not going to feel like I've come from this beautiful apartment in Flamingo Crossings back to a room that is just a whole cluttered hot mess. So that's something that I have been mindful of, and I have been trying to benefit future me. So I've packed all that stuff away, and I'm really genuinely so proud of myself. I don't want to go back into the same cycle of cluttering again. And another thing actually is I've been watching a hell of a lot of videos about decluttering, about being more sustainable, about being less of a consumer, because I think the world and capitalism makes us become consumers and get a lot of serotonin from shopping. You know, I feel like I've had a bit of a shopping addiction in the past, and I really do love shopping, but a lot of the time when I do receive the items, I get like a short amount of enjoyment from them, then they end up back in the cupboard. So I'm trying to be more mindful about my purchases, whether they are something that I actually genuinely want, or whether it's like an in the moment trying to get dopamine, trying to get something from that actual purchase. It's like in that psychological way, I kind of wanted to get some happiness from buying something, and I want to redirect that energy so that I get my happiness from other places that are maybe less expensive, because again, things can be free. Enjoyment doesn't cost money. So anyway, that is something I've been consuming a lot of content on. I've been watching a lot of like self-help, things like that. What else have I been watching? Just like improvement stuff, how to feel better in myself, how to have better self-esteem, how to be like a better adult, because like who the hell knows what they're doing. Like, how do I organize my finances? How do I save up for a house? That is one of my big goals for the future. So yeah, I've been watching a lot of that stuff, and it's been really motivating me to, yeah, like I say, have future Emma be in the right spot. And yeah, like I say, with Disney, loads of people, like literally everyone who knows of someone who's done it always says to me the same thing. They always say when they come back, they say that it was the best thing they ever did in their entire life, and their whole perspective on the world changed. And so I am preparing myself for that expectation, because so many people have given me that expectation that like, you're gonna have this amazing year and you'll want to come back, you're gonna have that momentum, and you just want to keep moving forward. And like, yeah, I'm sure I'll have loads of big career goals, and I already do have some in the back of my mind of things that I want to do. But yeah, there's that, and I've been doing really well with that. But we're ultimately coming to the end of my decluttering and organization, and now I'm just spending a lot of time like sat here like, what the heck do I do? What do I do? So yeah, Daisy, my girlfriend, is coming tomorrow, so we're probably going to spend the day together. And yeah, I think I might encourage her to let us go out for a walk somewhere, or not let us, because of course she'll do whatever I want. It's my last week in the UK, like this is my time to be selfish and just be like, we're going here. But of course I don't do that. But yeah, this is my time, so there's that. And we have a family meal, so we're gonna be spending some time together, and then I'm gonna spend the last few days seeing the bunnies and enjoying hopefully some nice weather. But I think it's gonna get a bit cooler, but maybe I'll enjoy that because the US is gonna be very hot. But yeah, that's where I'm at. And feelings wise, I'm really ready and excited, and I'm weirdly really excited for my new place. I think, yeah, having like a lovely apartment, oh my god, that would be amazing. I'm very excited about that. And I'm very excited about going to the resorts. I'm very excited about the characters, guys, like I freaking love the characters. And yeah, I guess this is just a short update. There's nothing left to say, we're 1 week away. I am a poet and I didn't even know it. And on that bombshell, I hope to see you guys next time when I'm on my way to Disney. Bye.